And we got a trick to show you how to put the cover on, because especially in this design where the headrest, the top of it's a lot wider than the bottom. So putting the hole at the bottom is still the size of the bottom of the cover. So it's you gotta fit this width into a hole that size. So we're gonna put a plastic bag over this, put a Shop-Vac underneath, turn the Shop-Vac on, we're gonna squeeze this in and it'll hold its small shape. You can slide the headrest onto it, undo the vacuum, and then it fills back into place. So grab Shop-Vac, we'll be right back. All right, headrest, Shop-Vac, plastic bag, best way to get it on. I'll show you how that works. So with the cover, it'll come with this plastic bag inside of it. So pull this thing out. It's just a clear vegetable bag you get like at the grocery store, okay? So you take the headrest, make sure you know which way is the front, which way is the back. So here's the front here. You can tell by how it's metal poles here, the majority of it's forward of it. So make sure you get the cover the same way so you don't put it on backwards. So feed the headrest into the bag. Front still facing this way. Shop-Vac. The hose up through one of the holes and gather it up around the base there and hold it. And then, okay, cover so this way. I'm going to flip on the Shop-Vac, and I'm going to compress the foam. And just because the Shop-Vac won't suck it down with the plastic on there, but when you compress it down, it'll hold its compressed shape. So we're going to turn this on, smash it in, put the cover on it, kill the vacuum, pops back into place. So here we go. Voila. There we go. We'll tear off some of the extra plastic at the bottom, put clips over there, pop it on, be good to go.